How many of you have a favorite product or service? How do you find, manage, and purchase your favorites? Good evening. My name is Jeff Clark, and I'm the founder of Favoland. The Favoland Beauty website will help with price comparison and finding similar products with your favorite ethics, ingredients, scents, and textures. In addition, we will offer price matching services and insights about discontinued styles, replacement products, recalls, or warranties. Favoland will strive to bring transparency to the forefront by highlighting product authenticity, as there are plenty of fake products with health and legal risks that cost retailers $504 billion in 2016. The beauty industry is expected to be worth $758 billion by 2025. Our revenue model is to charge monthly fees and a referral commission for brands and retailers. We will also offer a subscription model for consumers where they get discounts or cash back on purchases. Come check out the land of your favorites on Favoland.